We are not in the greatest of areas right now. We are in the pits of South Tacoma. It smells like drugs. Anyway, so I wanted to come here because this intersection is about to be updated. As you can see already. And it's got some nice vintage signals, but unfortunately they're not going to be here for much longer. We got some bagged up INS 2s, I guess, probably. They were just installed and they are not yet in service. So I presume that means the traffic signals are going to get replaced too. So it's good that I'm getting this now rather than later. Anyways, so this was one of the rare intersections of Tacoma. I need to get a better way to hold the camera. That didn't have 8-inch signals. Well, the 16-inch top and the 8-inch, 12-inch, 12 or 16-inch, I can't remember. Red. I think you might know what I'm talking about, but this was one of the rare intersections that didn't have those in Tacoma. But they're probably about to, I presume, yeah, looks like they're about to put some mass arms here. So they're getting ready to do that. So these old traffic signals are going to go. I'm not sure what these are, but what brand these are, but maybe they're Eagle flatbacks. Vintage Eagle flatback. I'm not sure if they were painted green, factory painted green. Looks like they were. There's a few LED retrofits in there though. Oh my god. That took forever. So that's what I'm talking about with the 8-inch signals over there, that style. So, but they're about to put some INS 2s in. Over here we got hi, it's me. Typical Campbell H-frame. Fortunately, those are gonna go. The walk sign's burned out. So the walk sign, unfortunately, is burned out. But see, these are I think it's like one of the last remaining. Text. Well, was one of the last remaining pedestrian signals that's coming with the text signals instead of the symbols. But see if I can trigger that again, since there's no cars. I guess not. I'm just recording the intersection, the signals and stuff, but I didn't say what the name. I mean, you can go now. It was green. It's just the signal's burned out. I mean, you can go. The signal's green. It was just burned out.
Alright, well, you have a Merry Christmas, man.
You too. Yeah, the walk indicator is burned out. I guess that guy was confused by it. So, but yeah, they're putting in the stupid new DEL things. I'll get a view of that one. I don't think the crosswalk button actually does anything at all because it's an automatic thing. and cars are trying to run into me. Got more H-frames, buttons over here, the typical. Huge truck. Actually, it's not that huge. Here's a better view of the traffic signals going across. I didn't really say the street names, but this is Wilkeson Street, Wilkeson Street, in South Tacoma way. Here you can see the new INS is going in. But yeah, the typical Campbell H-frames. This is not really ADA compliant at all. Because look, the buttons are way, so the buttons are way over here, even though the actual crosswalk is over here. Get a good view of this signal. I'm gonna go over there. See what it's the same thing over there. Crosswalk over there, button over there. And then you got the new INSs going, and probably ICC pedestrians, DEL pedestrian signals. This one's got some conduit. So I presume they're probably going to install a flashing yellow arrow going this way with the new mast arms. On the new mast arms. Well, probably. See the... Wait for this to turn green. Those old signals are vandalized. Got a good footage of the traffic lights. All the cars are having to wait. Now that turned green. Yeah, I think it's a DEO retrofit in there. Okay, here's the. There's probably some homeless people living in there. I hate this fucking city. But here's the controllers. I guess they're putting in a new controller. I guess that's the old one. The new one's right there. I guess, I don't know. I'm guessing just based on the age of them, but. This one. So. Yeah, here's the new INSs, and I guess these are probably these ICC. I don't know. I guess they might be. I have no clue. They look the same to me. They all look the same. So there's no vintage crosswalk goes right there. I guess I guess this is also a brand new crosswalk too, because they don't have the old pedestrian signal for that over there. So, and we already went over the ones over there. And there is, I forget what it's called. I think State Route 16 or whatever it is up there somewhere. The one that goes over the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. Yeah, this is kind of unfortunate. These nice vintage signals are going, but why I'm glad I came here when I did, so that I can archive this. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, you can barely see the pedestrian signal from over here. I guess I think they actually might have redone the crosswalk. Because I guess it used to be over here where the crosswalk was. Yeah. So I guess it's kind of a yellowish. The housing of the signals were kind of yellowish, greenish. Of course, they're old, so they're discolored over time. I'm gonna get some nice pictures. So yeah, I might come back here once the replacement is done. It's gonna be a pretty unfortunate replacement though, because, like I said, this is the last text pedestrian signals in Tacoma. You have the don't walk. I think there might be one or two more, but this is the only one I can find here in the pits of South Tacoma Way. See, I hate this city. Graffiti everywhere. It smells like drugs. Homeless people. There we got a railroad crossing over there. I think that's definitely not that's not a main line. I don't know if that's BNSF or Tacoma Rail that owns that line over there. And then Flushing Hill Beacon up there. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna go around and take some final pictures of everything here, and then it's an end of an era. One of these days, these modern signals this modern equipment is going to become vintage one day. That's one thing that people don't realize is with vintage equipment. This applies to pretty much anything, and not just like traffic light stuff, but like the phones, the fire alarms, all of that. The modern stuff, because the vintage stuff was the modern stuff at one point. The current modern stuff, the stuff that's modern right now, will eventually become vintage. So, I mean, it's unfortunate now because we're replacing nice vintage things with the modern, but eventually the modern is going to become the vintage. So we're never going to run out of vintage stuff because the classification of vintage has changed, or the timeline of what a vintage thing will have changed. So and eventually, 30 years from now, the new flashing yellow arrows with the brand new traffic signals and all that, the new controller, that will all be vintage. Not vintage now, but eventually it'll become vintage. So I'm gonna go around and take some photos, and I'll be back here in a couple months when this replacement has progressed more. I guess they're doing more. I guess it's not the only project that's happening on this road. There's some road work going down there. I'm not sure. Well, I think we passed by here. It was like they're working on part of the road. It was like this 4-lane road became a 2-lane road down there. So that's it.